Question 3. So remember, with the binomial series, we're given a couple of formulae. Always use the a plus b one, so that's the only one I've given you. So a is our first term, which is 1. B is our second term, which is ax, and n is our power of 10. So we just simply substitute that into the first 4 terms. So we've got 1 to the power of 10, then 10 choose 1, a to the 9, our b to single power, so 1 to the 9 and ax to the power of 1. Then our next term is 10 choose 2, a is reduced by a power, so we've now got 1 to the 8, and it is now b squared. Now this is the key point, alright? It's ax all squared. Alright, it's not ax squared, it is ax all squared. So a bit later that's going to give us the a squared x squared. Okay, and then our third term, 10 choose 3, and you can see what's happening. Look, the powers are going down by 1, 9, 8, so this is going to be 7. With our ax's, the powers are going up by 1, 1, 2, 3. So we then, you can use your calculator, you can just use your choose button on the calculator to work out what 10 choose 2 and 10 choose 3 are, but I don't think it's any bad thing to know the shortcut way to do this. 10 choose 2 is just 10 times 9 over 1 times 2, 10 choose 3 is 10 times 9 times 8 over 1 times 2 times 3. So you can see the pattern. The top one is reducing from 10, the bottom one is going up from 1, and the number of terms lines up with the bottom number. Anyway, you can work those out on your calculator. So working our way along, 1 to the power of 10 is 1, 10 choose 1 is 10, 10 times 1 is 10, a to the x, so 10a to the x. Our third term, 10 choose 2 is 45 times 1, which is still 45, and as I said earlier on, ax all squared is ax times ax, that's a squared x squared. And similarly with our fourth term, 120 a cubed x cubed. Now for part B, we're told that we've got to find a where the coefficient of x cubed is double the coefficient of x squared. So the coefficient of x cubed, that's the number in front of the x cubed. So that's 120 a cubed. Alright, and the coefficient of x squared is 45a squared. Now we're told the coefficient of x cubed is double this one here, so in order to make them equal, we need to double the smaller one. So we need to double the coefficient of x squared in order to line them up. This one is twice this, so for them to be equal, you double the first one. So 90a squared equals 120a cubed. Number of ways of solving that. Probably the simplest is just to divide through by 90a squared. So we have 1 equaling 4 over 3a, and then timesing by timesing by 3 over 4, or dividing by 4 over 3, however you want to look at it, we have a equaling 3/4.